we're going to sing a short song written by His Holiness the 17th Karmapa, a spiritual head of our tradition. And this is called An Aspiration for the World. It's a beautiful aspiration. And Chris and Tyler orientation here.
So the lyric sheets for this song are on your tables, so you can find them. And Chris is going to introduce us to the melody to the song by singing it once, and then after that we can all sing it together.
World, we live and die on your lap. On you we experience all our woes and joys. You are our ancestral home of old. Forever we cherish and adore you. We wish to transform you into the pure realm of our dreams. We wish to transform you into a land for all creatures, equal for all and free of prejudice. We wish to transform you into a loving, warm and gentle goddess. Our hope in you is so ever resolute, so please be the ground on which we all may live, so all these wishes may come true, so all these wishes may come true. Do not show us the dark side of your character, where nature's calamities reign in every section of our world's land. May there thrive a fertile field of peace and joy, rich with the leaves and fruits of happiness, filled with the many sweet sense of freedom. May we fulfill our countless and boundless wishes.
Thank you very much. So, if you have any questions, I will take a few questions. If not, we can discuss for a few minutes.